name is Edward Gal, and today we are going to talk about a cantilever. A cantilever is a simple machine. So, now what is a cantilever? Now, where do you see it in real life? You see cantilevers in real life when you go out. Basically, not out, you can even see them in your house, but if you have ever been out, if I say so, you will see a lamp post and then you can see a pole attached to something. Now it is only attached from one end. So this is the part where it has been supported, and this is the free part where it's not supported. And the part which is not supported like this thing is called a cantilever. So now can you tell me where is the cantilever? The cantilever is this part. Why? Because this is the thing. The fixed end is the one end is connected to this, while the other is free. So now let's see cantilevers from these. Now what you need is a bat, a car, two scales, one that can bend and another one that can a bit. Yeah, that can only bend like this, and a Hot Wheels truck that can only bend like this. So what we'll basically do is, I'm going to put the bat here. Yeah, so take the scale. Now if we take the scale and you press a finger, it will remain still. When we play and also the bending point also depends on where you have put the car. If you put it here, no bend is happening. If you put it a bit here in the middle, a bit bend is happening. If you put it here, the bend is unresistible for the scale until it can support it brilliantly. Or you have a super power scale, huh? Yeah, it bends almost. I'll catch it. Oh, no worries. I mean worries. Now if you take this second scale, the rubber one that can bend easily, as you can see, so now let's try with this rubber scale. I've just retrieved the car. Yeah, so if we put it here, it already bends, so nothing will happen. And if we put it here, I'm not gonna put it, it will fall again. So now let's try with the Hot Wheels track. So we'll put it here. If we put it here, nothing will happen. No bend. No bend at all. Bends. Because the weight is just under. The position is so far, and the more the position is there, the more the weight it applies. In other words, the more further it is from the support, the more pressure it applies. So now let's take the bat. Now you can't do it like this because you'll do it on the flat side. So I think I'll rest it here. Yeah, just joking. So if I keep it here, now let me do it. Nothing happens. Nothing happens. Nothing happens. Nothing happens, right? Okay, so the cantilever also depends on the type of material used. So, for example, this is wood, and wood is extremely tough, and the car don't have any effect on the bat at all. So this is the end of today's video. You really haven't known about the cantilever, right? I hope you now learned, right? Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if anyone else is interested, please share this video with them. Please like this video as well. To see more of my videos, subscribe my channel. So until the next video.